We are here to discuss on the drivers, efficient, responsive. What is the meaning of drivers? Who are the drivers of supply chain? The production facilities. What does it mean? With the meaning of production facilities, what we see is that the company will decide where it want to create a facility. Whether it is going to create a facility in the warehousing area, whether it's a village area, or whether it's a industrial development place. So that is the decision to be taken by the company in order to set up a production facility. Now second point is many small plants. Like the company will decide whether it wants to establish many small plants instead of establishing one single plant or a centralized location. Many small plants, this is an example into FMCG companies. The company which is manufacturing products like shampoos, soaps and other kind of FMCG eatables would like to create many small plants. This next topic is centralized production. The centralized production means a production facility which is at the center. That means there is only one facility which is manufacturing, and rest are marketing and selling and distribution. This kind of facility is mainly observed in automotive industry. The next point is narrow focus. That means the focus of the company towards the customer should be narrow. It's a narrow focus means the company is totally focused towards the customer. That means a company will arrange to produce the goods at the places where Welcome back. The second video is on inventory. That means a company will decide how much amount of inventory does it require to store. The inventory can be classified into a high inventory, less store, or less inventory and more store. That means a company which is requiring to save more amount of inventories, it will have less store. That means the number of stores will be less, the inventory will be high. Secondly, there are some companies which will have a less amount of inventory, but they will have a more amount of stores. Okay, so that's a difference between inventory high and stores less, or less inventory, more stores. Clear? So here the definition of inventory is that a company will decide whether it is going to have more inventory or more number of stores and less inventory. The next is the position, multiple location or high quantity. That means the company will decide whether it is going to have multiple locations. For example, if it's a retail company, then it is obviously going to have a multiple locations or a high quantity, right? And it may also decide whether it want to be in